From freestyle to mainstream, Ajji trades rhymes with Busy and Styler on Live for the Summer.
Live for the summer. Benz man, I drive for the summer.
Well, Ajji is like a dancehall freestyle artist from back in the day coming up. We're underground, but you don't know, we are embarked on some new opportunities right now.
Like a summer song with Busy Signal and Styler G.
Ajji, me have a new style. Pocket full of money on two sides.
Most DJs, entertainers in the business, they know me for what I do. At some point, I pop up on your feed. And you see what me I do. So the respect comes from there. Styler is an old Calabar man as well, so you don't know it go. Busy Signal walked in on the studio session when it was being mixed. The artwork already done. Me and Styler released the song and Busy walk in and hear it and say, no, this too bad, me need a piece of this.
Me was a grand 5 for the kick, 7 bills for the pants, shirt make a Italy.
Live for the summer. It's a no-brainer, it's self-explanatory. You know what I mean? You don't want to be dead for the summer, you want to be live for the summer. You know what I mean? And live as in everything. Your money for live, your flow for live, if it's a masculine gender, your girl them for live.
Me have two big international artists on one track with a person like me where half of them fans don't know. Seemed like a good idea to me.
Ajji, who lives in New York, here to promote Live for the Summer.
Live for the summer. Benz man, I drive for the summer. Whoa.
Everything about me a Jamaican man. I grew up at Jamaica, got Calabar. You know what I mean? I just moved to New York recently. And people more familiar with me from social media, you know what I mean? Freestyling and just like doing the freestyle ads, I just like freestyle a whole party.
Style, me have a vision, me have a mission.
But Ajji,
Freestyle. I'm assuming that means making up something on the spot. Freestyling means you go on social media and you do what? You just drop some lyrics?
You drop some lyrics and then people reach out to me and say, oh, me have a party, I keep this are the flyer. You can freestyle it for me and I just kind of just read off of the flyer. My youthful exuberance caused me to be very candid with my lyrics, and I said a lot of things about a lot of artists and politicians, and it never really put me in a good place in the industry. So we just kind of like Lego that, you know what I mean?
You know what I mean? When you speak bluntly and speak the truth about certain things and just go through with your own view and your own take on stuff, you know, not everybody gonna take on to that. So you mash some can, as well the elders would have said, and you go through with different type of flow, different type of style. But at the end of the day, now it's a different level.
People have very thin skins here, believe me, I know. So, you know, how do you get away with trying to step up your game now where, you know, you're doing what the artists are doing? Does what you do have an edge? Is it going to ruffle some feathers?
Oh yes, man. Oh yes, man. If people listen to Live for the Summer, what I'm hearing from people is that yo, the lyrics is so well put together and so clever.
motorcade like politician, ammunition, black tint on the weapon.
When you turn on the radio in New York City, I guess the stations that would play Caribbean music or, you know, even the hip hop stations that try to do a little crossover stuff, are you hearing much Jamaican music on it?
You will, but it's the traditional berries and, you know what I mean, the cartel and where everybody know for over the years them. It's not really the new thing them.
Coffee, yes, but little else. Is it a case of nobody understands the lyric of the new stuff, that people aren't being clear enough, or
No,
what?
I wouldn't say that, because Afrobeat is doing so well and we don't understand what they're saying either. We're just working off of the beat and the vibe of it, but we don't understand what they're saying. I think that somebody have to go to the drawing board and really look at what is causing the disparity in a dancehall, but it's not something where me could have tell you, trust me.
But fair to say that there is a problem.
I mean, there's something that needs to be worked on. I wouldn't say there's a problem, because then that would mean that there's a problem with us young artists who are coming up and representing.
People who identify with dancehall in New York, what are they into? The younger crowd I'm talking about.
Them like the youths them, man. Them like the Six them and the Intense them. Them like the Chronic Law, them like the Massacre. Them like them.
What would you say to these guys? How can they get their music more exposure?
I mean, I would just tell them less oversaturation and just focus on one track. Focus on one track, produce it good, mix it, master it properly, and put it out in the world and promote it, you know what I mean? But you kill one song with the next song and you just keep doing it every week, you drop a new song. That don't work for nobody else but cartel.
Is radio as important as it once was up there, or is it strictly social media and who has a presence and who doesn't?
Well, radio is most definitely important, but a lot of people streaming, so you have to realize now that streaming I take a lot of power from a lot of different places. So, you know what I mean? I don't want to radio lose its power altogether, but artists make money from streaming. A lot of artists never get a check from radio yet, you know what I mean? So, streaming look like it's going to take over the thing.
Ice pa my neck make my skin chill. Teach some boy like Linton.
As for Ajji, no more off-the-cuff pot shots at whoever.
Cause them can't take it, them brittle. The other day, I do a song and I say, me not a Conscience Garfield couldn't advise me. And a man from Conscience Camp called me and say, yo, you need to stop calling at this name. And I said, dude, you not even listen to what I said to you. I said, the way me not have no conscience, not even Garfield himself could have advised me. And that's a disrespect. And a man page me and I said, brother, you have to remember, say, if you page me, I go tear out the page. Don't do that again. You understand me? I said, so, me just wash my hand from that and say, yo, go on. No more name calling, them cannot take it, them can't angle it, me just have focus on music.
Life for the summer. Benz man I drive for the summer. Whoa, watch out that. Fly for the summer. Want my wife for the summer, so.
Life for the summer, girl, I come and say she ready for the